Today I'll teach you how to make a mini book. Here are the things we need. Paper, scissors, stapler, and a pen. Don't forget to ask your parents on using the scissors. Once we have the materials ready, let's begin. First, fold your paper into small squares and them through. After you cut it, it will be like this. Then, put all the papers together. Then, use the stapler to stapler them. Here got some things out. We can use scissors to cut them. After that, you can use a pen or a pencil to draw things that you like. See, I have done one.